Back at the Now Data tab for Phoenix, Arizona, we want to take a look at the accumulation graph, specifically the precipitation accumulation graph for the month of May. So we click here, previous month. We're in June now, so the previous month is May. And you'll see the date here, 2015, 1st of May to 31st of May. We just go, and we get a precipitation accumulation graph. So let's look at what everything means here. First of all, we have the normal graph in brown here. And at the end of the month, you'll see that there's that the normal is 0.08. That gradually builds the normal as goes down as you get closer to the month, because it accumulates. So what you're doing is you're spreading 0.08 inches of precipitation over 31 days. Okay, so it bumps up 0.01 inches just about every 5 days or so, until it gets to the total amount that we have here at the end of the month. Okay, so that's the normal. Here's the record amount that they had back in 1912. And that was due to 2 days of precipitation here on May 8th and May 9th of that year. Okay, all the other daily accumulation amounts for that year here amount to zero. Okay, so it's 2 days of precipitation that gave them their record amount over here. For 2015, all the precipitation that fell in that month fell on this one day, on May 15th. And you'll see that amount is 0.31. It all 0.31 inches. It all fell on one day. And if you go to the end of that month, you'll see it's still 0.31. So what does that mean? Well, it means that on this particular day, this particular month, 8 times as much precipitation as normal fell, owing to this one day of rainfall over here. Okay, so that pretty much skewed the results. On most other months for May, you wouldn't have any precipitation at all. So one little bit of rainfall here in the middle of the month can skew the entire data here for the region, because this precipitation fell in Phoenix and around some other areas as well. So might be interesting to look at what a rainfall like that looks like. Fortunately, these days there's always somebody out with a video camera taking pictures of weather, and the video that you'll see is of what this rainfall would actually look like from the ground.